Hello guys, James Thompson with Jammin Classics. Here today I've got a customer's car that we built about 2 years ago, and we always ask our customers to bring their cars back in during different mileage checks because we like to go over them and recheck stuff, make sure that they're taking care of our cars. But anyway, we want to make sure that the cars are still good and healthy, and that there's no problems with them, and take care of our customers. So today, like I said, we've got a '67 Mustang GT. That's a GTA, so it means that it's an automatic. This is an S code car, so it is the 390 4-barrel car. It was her high school car originally, and once it did its duty in high school and she was finished and got married and life took its place, the car was put in the garage, and it was stored for, I believe the owner told me, like 21 years in the garage, untouched. And she collected parts through the years with the intentions of being able to redo the car. So today I just kind of wanted to give you just kind of a brief runaround of the car, maybe a few details of everything that we did. This car was in pretty rough shape. It was very well used when it came in, but we've brought it back to its full glory of the days in '67. So I just wanted to kind of go over and show you some of the car, some of the features and details of everything that we did on this car. Okay, as you can see, it's a beautiful blue paint. This is the original color, the Acapulco blue. It was a somewhat desired color back in the day. Very nice. They did make some other darker colors and some lighter colors, but the Acapulco blue was really a good a good color for the day. People really like it now. You don't see too many of them in this color scheme, but it had the black, all black interior. It being a GTA, so it had the 390 4-barrel, the C6 transmission. The 9-inch rear end in it. We've done all performance exhaust on it. We've done all the Shelby mods and upgrades to the suspension to tighten the car up, make it drive a lot nicer than it did back in the original state. But there was a lot of work. What you see here has had a lot of work done to it to make it to this stage. The bottom side of this car is as clean and nice as the top side. So it went through quite a change to bring it back to this state. Actually, when we finished this car, we debuted the car to the owner at a car show. We had the car staged it was an outdoor big Mustang meet that we have here in the Houston area, and we had the car covered for pretty much the most of the show until the owner showed up. So we debuted the car. She saw it for the first time completed at the show, and she actually took first place in her class at the show that day. So we had no intention. We just wanted to show her the car at the show, but it did very well. So we have the S code 390 that was the original engine in this car. The lady had actually had the motor rebuilt about 10 years ago, she said, and it was not even in the car when we got the car in. She had it on an engine stand, but the engine had not been rotated or checked or anything, and over 10 years it had just been sitting in her garage covered up. So we felt that it would be best if we sent it out to our local machine shop. They went through the engine, just checked everything to make sure it was in good shape. We put all fresh seals and gaskets and everything back in the engine because these are not the kind of cars that you want to be pulling this engine in and out of too many times, because anybody that knows anything about the FE motors in these cars, they're very tight. They're shoehorned in, and they require a lot of patience to get them in and out. So I wanted to kind of show you a few of the highlights of the interior of the car. It was totally original and in pretty worn condition when we got it. So as you can see, we've gone through and freshened up and replaced and made the interior virtually new again. We have all of the original gauges still in the car. We tried to keep this car very classic and original as far as everything that could be restored and that still function correctly. So, but we've got a new console. We put vintage air in it. All the complete new interior and everything in it. It turned out real nice. She's been enjoying the car now for probably a year, and we just are going over everything to make sure that it's still in great shape and still functioning and operating the way it should. Okay, today I just I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and we'll bring you more in our car spotlights of some of the cars that we've got to show you. The this car will be ready to go back to its owner probably tomorrow, and she'll be back on the road enjoying every advantage she can have with the car. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and if you like what you see, please like the video, and don't forget, subscribe to our channel, and we'll bring you a lot more videos, and we've got some good plans coming up for you. So I appreciate it. Thank you.